Hi YouTubers, it's SweetTooth9267. I'm doing another changing of a Henry bag. I'm just doing a different type of video. First thing that you get when you order the Henry replacement bags is normally a pack of 5 and they come like this folded. You'll see the tab facing that. And a good size bag. So that's what you're looking for. This particular model is the Y6H, but I think it does all the Henrys. So upwards and onwards. I've taken off the filter. So what you've got here is the bag that just slots in there. It's quite easy. You just pop it in there. One-handed operation here. It's not hard. Just push it in. Make sure that that's in nice and tight. Okay. So that needs to be facing outwards. So when you finish with the bag, you just clip that on. So that just goes like that. Then you just get your air filter, just give it a bash. If it's covered in dust, you just drop that on that, like so. Make sure that you push them in so the lid doesn't come off. I'll try and see if this works. Let's plug it in. Alright. Power on. That's on halfway strength, full. You find with a Henry Hoover that the 1200 is as good as a 1200 is as good as a 2000, in my opinion. Take the bag off. Check it's on. There you go. Dead simple, straightforward, and just wind it up when you're right. So thanks guys for watching. That's a changeover of a Henry dust bag. Unfortunately, these don't come with the dust-free version, but the bags are only like £5 or $3.99 free delivery for a load of them. As I say, they come like this. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.